Completely free course that's going to teach you how I've been able to get here. Most people don't stick around long term, but that's why it makes it easier for everyone else to win, because when majority of the people are always giving up, majority of people are never actually sticking to it. About to go on another adventure part 2, Memorial Day. All right, we just got to the hotel. I'm about to show you guys everything. Now this shit go crazy and everything, but we're about to do this VIP session. Hey, you can be the best at whatever you do, but if nobody knows who you are, it doesn't matter. Everybody can do content. Content is something that anybody can do. It's not hard. You get what I'm saying? If nobody knows who you are, then this wouldn't even be possible. If I wasn't able to create content, I wouldn't even be able to put all of us together right now. I think I'm up like maybe like $75 for the day. Oh, look at that. We're up 125 for the day. Not bad. So good morning, everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today, I got a good vlog for you guys. We're going to have an entertaining, productive day nonetheless. The first thing we got to do is we got to get this VIP Trading Network session started. It is Sunday right now. It's 9:35, and I do these sessions every single week. This is just the first session we're doing today. I'm going to try to do a session tonight that's going to talk about money, mindset, and all those good things that you need to be a successful trader. But right now, I'm going to be talking to them about the charts, systems, risk management, building patience, building systems, process-based thinking, all of that. I'll show you a little bit of clips, but nonetheless, I got to get to work. I got to continue to give them the value that they need and start off my Sunday the right way. So with that being said, let's go into the charts. Experience. So the only reason you even know that is from back testing, because I'll be telling everybody everything you need to know about the charts. If you want to be great on the charts, everything you need to know is in front of you. Everything you need to know is literally on these charts. You just got to be diligent enough to go back in time, figure it out, go back in time, figure out what happened, why it happened. But at the end of the day, it's just, you got to believe it. You got to see it to believe it. And then once you believe it, that's going to allow you to actually put in the work to make it happen. Because until you believe it's possible, you ain't going to do what's required. Same thing with trading. Until you know it's possible, until you know you can make money, until you know that it's something that you can actually do, you're not going to go full force. Most people don't go full-time trading until they've had some experience, had some results, and they're just like, I know this could work for me. I'm going to make it happen. But until people get that confidence in it, they'll never get that. They're like, this is scam. This is scam. Most people don't stick around long term, but that's why it makes it easier for everyone else to win, because when majority of the people are always giving up, majority of people are never actually sticking to it, it makes it way easier for us to actually get to the goals, get to the money, become successful, because all we got to do is just continue doing what everyone else isn't doing. A lot of the time, they ain't going to do it anyway, even though they know they're supposed to do it. You got to understand that to make money in trading, you have to win trades, right? To make money in life, you don't even make money in real life. You never make money. You are doing something that somebody's giving you money. Like whenever you're getting money, somebody's giving it to you. Some from somewhere, somebody is giving you money. Whatever you did, gave enough value, or whatever you did, you gave enough time for them to be able to give you that money. Money isn't made. You know what I mean? It's just all recirculated a lot of time. Money's already there. It's just you're taking it from people, essentially. Money's taken. And now it's all process-based thinking, and in trading, the process that makes money is consistently winning trades. Now you got to dig deeper, because if you want to consistently win trades, you got to figure out how to consistently win trades. There's one thing to say, oh, I need to win this many trades, I need to make this amount of money, but it's a different thing versus having the process and system that you could read, look at, touch, see, and you've done it before, but you have to have that process. So how do you make money trading? By catching trades. How do you catch trades? By having a system that works for you. How do you figure out a system that works for you? Experience in trading, experience back testing, live testing, demo trading, following your rules, doing all these things too, because it's one thing to just keep taking a whole bunch of trades, whole bunch of random trades, trying to get like making yourself think you're getting experience. No. You need good experience. You could be doing one thing for 6 months, and you could be doing the totally wrong thing for 6 months. You did 6 months of work in an area or on a concept that wasn't necessarily important. You got to focus on the process-based thinking, figuring out what works for you, because what works for me, I know what works for me because I've put in the back testing. I've tried different systems and seen what I failed in, what I was good in. I've improved my system. I've figured out, but all these things just come from experience. Like, you're not going to know this just from 1 week, from 2 weeks. There's things about you that you're not going to be aware of until you're in the situation where it comes out, until you're in the situation where you're about to overtrade, about to go on tilt, where you're getting in your emotions because you're on a losing streak, when you're getting in your emotions because you're a winning streak. These are all things that you aren't aware of until you go through it. You don't know what you don't know. Like comparison is like the thief of joy. Once you start trying to compare yourself to somebody else, that's when all the
excitement. That's when all the enjoyment goes out the window, because now you're comparing somebody on a totally different journey. Somebody has a totally different life to you, when in reality, the only person you got to worry about is you. Because if you're worrying about someone else that's not going to put more money in your pocket, it's not going to help you become a better trader, it's not going to do anything beneficial towards you. The main thing that you got to focus on to be able to level up, to be able to get to that position that you want to be on, is focusing on your process, focusing on your system, not worrying about what other people have to say. If I would have cared about what other people said about me posting a YouTube video, none of you guys would have been here. Trading isn't complicated. The only way you blow an account, the only way you do some dumb shit to where you can't trade the next day is over trading, over leveraging, not following the rules. Those 3 things are it. All right, and we done. Good little trading session. Didn't go too crazy. Matter of fact, let me end the recording. This is the recording that I'm going to be uploading on to Whoop. I got to upload it onto there just to make sure that is all. Just so people that missed it, we had about 22 people that actually were there live, but we need the people that missed it, the people that have worked, the people that maybe went to church this Sunday, so they can actually get the value too. It was specifically, they asked if I could record it because they weren't gonna be there, so I'll make sure I get it done. But now it's time to start the rest of our day. About to go on another adventure, adventure part 2, Memorial Day adventure, and we get to bring Luna. Where's Luna? I got the hiccups. Luna. Oh yeah, these hiccups going crazy. It's a hot day today, but we about to be somewhere nice and cool. All right, so right now it's just me and Luna. Me and Luna are in the car. Right now I'm about to get some drinks. I'm dropping off my sister's brother at his house, and then we're about to head to this new spot. We're gonna be at this spot for Memorial Day. We're gonna spend the night at a hotel. I'm not gonna show you anything until we actually get there. And there she is calling me. I think she's gonna ask what drink I want. Hello?
They only have guava. Do you want to try guava?
Nah, that's fine.
Right.
Guess I'm not getting the juice. They don't got no mango. Fuck them. But we got Luna too. Luna gonna be with us. But we're gonna enjoy the time. We got done with the VIP Trading Network call earlier. I'm gonna also do a call tonight while I'm at this place. We're gonna have a nice view and everything. It's gonna be nice. It's gonna be good. Weekends, I don't have too much to do when it comes to actually making too much money, actually doing anything crazy. The main things I gotta do today, create content, which I'm doing right now. I created some clips. I'm posting some clips on my Instagram, so make sure you follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. Where our goal is to go to the gym, create content, make more content, post content, and give value. Be active inside the VIP Trader Network, and go to the gym. That's my main goals today, and just enjoy the time that I got until the trading week starts. Tomorrow, I'm not gonna be trading. I probably show up just to be able to see what's up. But in my opinion, the market's closed at 12, so this doesn't really make much sense. There's not going to be a lot of volume. And at the end of the day, we need volume for good trading. So it may not be a good trading day, but nonetheless, we're more than likely just going to show up, see what's going on. But that's about it. All right, we just got to the hotel. I'm about to show you guys everything. Let's just start from over here. So we got Luna. First of all, we got Luna. Then we got the bathroom over here. Nothing crazy. How do I get the main light on? But yeah, we got the bathroom, calm little bathroom. Nothing crazy. Got a nice little, you know what I'm saying? I like this mirror though, but then this is the main thing over here. This is the king size bed, got our stuff, tripod. You probably hear music, hopefully it don't get copyrighted. But here, then we got the outside view. Now the outside view is the main thing, man. They got all this stuff like over there, and they got the boats parked up. We got the blockade for Luna not to escape. Oh yeah, we're gonna have music all night. Yo. It's like it won't even fully get in there. Jesus. So right now the goal, I'm hungry. Luna just took a dookie in here, so I had to clean up the dookie. And now I'm trying to eat. She's getting changed. Mang. My stomach's hurting. I hear a whole bunch of music. Hopefully it don't get copyrighted. That's my main thing. I hope this don't get copyrighted because they want to be all loud. And it might be loud for a while. But I'm going to talk loud enough to where you can't even hear it. And I'm going to hope that works out. But right now, we about to get food. Don't know where we're going to get food at. There's mad traffic because it's Memorial Day weekend. But we're going to figure it out. If anything, we could just walk somewhere. It might take us a while. But, hey, we'll see what food we get.
Nah, they going crazy down there. Nah, this shit go crazy. Yeah, I don't think Luna's gonna like all that. She don't like that. She running. She running. All right, right now we about to head to the pool before the sun go down. Yeah, let's go. But yeah, we gonna go to the pool, come back, and then as long as we're back by 9:30, that's when I'm doing the call with VIP. So that's gonna be the second half of the video, to be honest. Besides that, I don't got really much else to do today besides try to juggle all these different noises like this TV and this music. But we about to head to the pool. You grab my water. All right, but without further ado, it is 10 o'clock right now at night. Hopefully the audio is good and everything, but we're about to do this VIP session. And I'm gonna give you guys essentially a breakdown on how to monetize yourself with trading, how to monetize the skill set of trading, how to turn your life into money. Just like I do, I'm gonna be able to teach you guys the exact same thing. So if you're not in VIP, make sure you join up. And if the YouTube video that you're watching is on, you're only gonna be watching clips of it. But yeah. Hope you enjoy. Join the VIP if you want the full content. But nonetheless, I'm gonna still give you some of it for free because I'm still here to help you. So essentially, the main thing that I want to say, the main thing that's beneficial about monetizing yourself is, for one, you could be the best trader in the world, but if you don't have money, you can't really trade. If you don't have money to risk on a trade, you can't trade. It's simple as that. And you could be the perfect trader, but if you have no money to trade, you can't trade. One of the main things people don't understand about doing content, monetizing yourself, putting yourself out there, putting your journey out there, documenting your journey, is you're gonna be able to meet a lot of people. The only reason I know a lot of you guys is because of content in the first place, right? Now, that's not me saying like I'm this almighty person, but that's me just saying it from the terms of connecting people. You get what I'm saying? It connects you with people that you would have never met, because at the end of the day, you could be the best at whatever you do, but if nobody knows who you are, it doesn't matter. You know what I mean? You can be the best trader, you can be the richest person, but if nobody knows who you are, you don't really have the credibility at the end of the day. But if people know who you are, if people say your name, you're like, oh, that's the person who does this. That's the person who does this. Oh, this is the person who's helping me do that. It's something that's going to be more for your brand. Like this call right here isn't necessarily for trading itself, it's for you as a person, because trading is just one business. I don't want you guys to just be traders, because trading is just one skill. You don't want to just have one skill. It's good to build off of one skill, but you want that to be the foundation. I want trading to be the foundation to where you can build into other things. And in my opinion, everybody can do content. Content is something that anybody can do. It's not hard. I have a video recording right now. It can be as simple as that. Anybody can do that. You can put it right there and record. But the main thing that is beneficial is that you're gonna put yourself in front of people. Now, in terms of trading, because that's the main thing that we all do, we're traders. How could that benefit you being a trader? You gotta understand, from all the people that I reach, what are the chances that somebody may wanna invest with me? What are the chances that somebody sees my skills and wants to put the money on me and let me trade because they don't have the skill set? You guys don't understand how many people there are in the world and how many people you can reach every single day. You could reach 100,000 people. That doesn't mean 100,000 people are gonna be willing to give you a whole bunch of money. But if you can reach that many people, there might be one person that may be out there that may be willing to put faith in you to allow you to work. Because sometimes that's all it really is. Like I said, you could be the best trader in the world, but if you don't have the money to trade, it doesn't mean nothing. You could be the best trader, but if you lose a funded account, you're back to square zero. You can be the best trader in the world, but if you don't have money to put into a live account, you're back to square zero. You get what I'm saying? You need that money to begin with. And the best way to be able to do it is have a brand around yourself. Have other businesses, but the only way you can do that is by building yourself. And that was kind of just an introduction. Let me actually go into my notes now. That was just off the top of my head. You get what I'm saying? If nobody knows who you are, then this wouldn't even be possible. If I wasn't able to create content, I wouldn't even be able to put all of us together right now. And even then, I want you guys to keep this in mind. Think about how many, all my numbers on YouTube, how many views I can get, but think about how many people I'm even able to get on a call live. Like right now, 15. Think about that. Think about the numbers I'm able to do, how many people we even willing to continue doing it. There's a very small amount, but what does that tell you? It makes it very easier to succeed, because most people aren't gonna go the extra mile. Most people aren't gonna do what they need to. Most people aren't gonna be uncomfortable to get to that point to where they feel comfortable, to where they even have the luxury and reward of being comfortable. All right, everybody, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I gave you guys 2 VIP session calls today. I didn't really do much else besides that there was no trading. I don't think I really, hold on, where's my phone now? Don't think I made much when it comes to like VIP sales today. I think I'm up like maybe like $75 for the day. Oh, look at that, we're up 125 for the day, not bad. So we're up 125 for VIP sales, not bad. So besides that, besides doing the VIP calls, besides coming to the hotel and then just enjoying the Memorial Day weekend, I didn't really do much else. But with that being said, stay safe, stay productive. Make sure if you want to learn how to trade, make sure you check out the free trading course. It's going to teach you everything you need to know from 0 all the way to 100 on how I trade, everything I know about trading. It's just going to teach you everything you need to know, and it's for completely free at that. You can't get any better than that. Completely free course that's going to teach you how I've been able to get here, right here. I didn't come here overnight. It didn't happen overnight. But I'm guaranteeing you, I'm only gonna get higher. We may be on the 6th floor right now. Next I'm gonna be on the 60th, then 600th. Then I'm gonna be on fucking Mars. So once you're ready to actually like use the concepts, make sure you get a Hanko Trade account and use the actual and get a demo. You can actually use the concepts, because without actually implementing them, without getting experience, it don't mean nothing. Experience is key in improvement and success. You need it, so get that demo trade. You can use the link in the description. And once you're ready to actually join the team and get access to the calls like I just did, the 2 calls we did today on both trading and mindset, and both monetizing yourself and monetizing content, then make sure you join the VIP Trading Network. We're active every single day, and we will be tomorrow. So stay safe. I'll see you guys in the next video, and make sure you stay motivated by the fear of being average.